Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy crypto on the Bitget app with a credit or debit card, okay, for your e-wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and launch the app and then come here at the bottom right, click on assets. Now from here, I want you to just go ahead and click on spot and then you can go ahead and add funds. Tap on add funds to your assets. So here, tap on add funds, and now you can either deposit crypto or you can actually buy crypto with, for example, your credit or debit card, or you can buy them in the P2P market. In this tutorial, I'm showing you this one specifically. So click on credit or debit card. Just enter the amount of crypto you'd like to buy, and here you can change the crypto. You can just tap here and change the crypto you'd like to buy. For example, let's say you want to buy worth of this much Ethereum. Just tap on a buy Ethereum. You'll see how much you'd be buying. And then you just need to go and verify yourself. You need to do identity verification, okay, and mobile and email. And after that, just enter your credit card or debit card information, and you'll be proceeding to make the purchase. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.